Chapter 3: Algorithms and Flowchart. Warm up. Number the pictures in order from the beginning of the day. Every activity has a sequence of steps that need to be followed. First, list the main steps of the activity. Then, for each main step, list the detailed steps. Listing the steps helps in carrying out the activity easily. Algorithm. The steps written in an order to solve a particular problem is called an algorithm. It is mainly written for planning and solving the problems. Algorithm has the following characteristics. Input. An algorithm may or may not require input. Output. Each algorithm is expected to produce at least one result. Definiteness. Each instruction must be clear and simple. Finiteness. The algorithm should come to an end after a finite number of steps. Keep in mind, the IPO cycle of computer works on stepwise thinking. First, it takes input, then processes it, and finally gives the output. Flowchart. The steps written in algorithm can be represented diagrammatically with the help of a flowchart. Note that algorithm and flowcharts are not required for a computer but are used by programmers to understand the program easily. A flowchart is a diagram that represents a set of instructions. Flowcharts normally use standard symbols to represent the different types of instructions. These symbols are used to construct the flowchart and show the step-by-step solution to the problem. The commonly used symbols for drawing a flowchart are given below. Symbol, symbol name, alternate shape name, symbol description. Terminator, terminal point oval. An oval shape indicates the start or end of the process. Process. A rectangular shape indicates a normal process flow or action step. Decision. It indicates a question or branch in the process flow. Typically, a decision flowchart shape is used when there are two options: yes, no, 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 go, etc. Data shape, I/O shape. A parallelogram indicates data input or output, I/O, for a process. Connector inspection. A small labeled circular flowchart shape is used to indicate a jump in the process flow. Arrow, direction of flow of data information. Algorithm and flowchart to find the sum of two numbers. Algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, input first number, say A. Step 3, input second number, say B. Step 4, sum A plus B. Step 5, display sum. Step 6, stop. Algorithm and flowchart to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. C. Temperature in Celsius. F. Temperature in Fahrenheit. Algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, input temperature in Celsius, say C. Step 3, F is equal to 9.0 slash 5.0 into C plus 32. Step 4. Display temperature in Fahrenheit F. Step 5. Stop. Take a break. Complete the given flowchart for calculating the sum of three numbers. Operators used in a flowchart. Mathematical operators. Relational operators. Logical operators. To sum up, every activity has a sequence of steps that need to be followed. The steps written in an order to solve a particular problem is called an algorithm. The steps written in algorithms can be represented diagrammatically with the help of a flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram that represents a set of instructions. An oval shape indicates the start or end of the process. A parallelogram indicates data input or output for a process.